Hi guys, good morning. Right now I gonna boil the potato without using fire or water to boil the potato. I just gonna show you a technique on how the potato becomes soft without cooking or without boiling it. First, you just need to wash the potato. We're gonna put in on this bag, and you just need to do like this. Actually, you don't need to, just like this, and then you need to tighten, and then we're gonna put in the oven. The oven is here. So yeah, just like that, and then close it. Then you need to put like 5 minutes. Oops, yes, it's 5 minutes. So wait until it finish or until it's done. So we will see the trick. Yeah, so it's 4:52. You will see what happened next after 5 minutes. If it's the same on how you boil on or how you cook the potato in the um, in the pot. Yeah, so I'll just show you also the place I'm living in. We Our building is in front of the park. Yeah, it's like it's a big park. You can go there and you can go there. Yeah, there's a pond, actually a pond. You can see lots of swan, duck, and also birds flying there. Let's see. It's like 3 minutes, so we just need to wait until it's done. So we can see it's like an experiment, and we can see if it's true or if it's real. So it's like if you do like this trick, it's like you can manage your time because it's only 5 minutes, and you can save also for the gas. Yeah. That's the Netherlands embassy. 2 minutes more too, and wait, I'll show you. 2 minutes, you see. You need to make sure also that the plastic don't have hole. Yeah, like that. You just see. It's become balloon. It's scary, yeah, because it's like it will explode, but hopefully not. But we will see what happens next. So I hope it won't explode. It's scary. I'm nervous also. But we will see what happens next. Oh my god. Only 2 minutes more. But I hope it will not explode. Oh my god. I'm waiting. Yeah, you see? You just need to watch. Scary. I'm so nervous at all. Oh, maybe I need to. I'm scared also. I need to press it. Because I'm scared already. It looks like big. It's only for 4 minutes. Not really 4 minutes. Oh, you see, it's become small again. The plastic, but yeah, maybe we need to make it. We need to continue again. So it finished the 5 minutes. So we will see. I'm scared also that it will explode. So I need to stop and press again. So 1 more minute and 20 seconds. Yun na. 1 minute more. I smell already. I smell already. It's the same that you boiled the potato. Maybe I need to press again. I'm scared, you see. It look like balloon. You see the pressure? You see the pressure? Yeah, you actually don't need to put water inside. You just wash and then like that. So I need to, yeah, like that. Oh my god. It, Me and the people who gonna watch my video also you can experience also what I am experiencing right now. So we need to start again up to until we finish the 5 minutes. Because I'm so scared. Thirty, 32, 32. I'm scared again. Oh my god. You see, it look like balloon. Yeah. Do you see there's water inside? I think we need to check. Yay! Yay! I need to take it off. Take it off. Come here. Yep. Oh, it's so hot. Yeah. Yes. Yes. We need to check if it's good or no. Oh my god, my cell phone not standing at all. Whew. Let's see. You see, you see, guys. You see, yay! Oh, it's so hot. You see? Yay! Ta-da! Yeah. You see? That's the trick. Only 5 minutes you need to put inside the oven, so it manage your time because it's only 5 or 6 minutes. But you need to check because the feeling is like it will explode. So you need to turn to open the oven and then to turn to close again and turn it again. So but you see, it's already done for only 5 minutes, and it save your gasol, your gas.